So we're putting some of the molding back on the very top. If we look up there, we can see how it's way up on top. You can see how it's rounded and comes down. So this is just one of the pieces right here. So this is the inside corner we're making. And this molding hangs so that this is straight up and down. And now we have an inside corner. So I already cut one. So now we have to cut a matching one so that these go together. So what we're doing is we have to remember that we're going something like this and down. So if we hold it in here, this is a simplistic compound mortar or saw, compound saw for cutting compound joints. So if we're holding it straight up and down, and we're cutting at this angle, and we have this one, these two should go together nicely. So this is a piece I took off another part of the building which we don't need anymore because we had what we had to do. So we're going to cut this. And this should make our inside corner. Yes, it looks like it's all matching up really nice. So we're going to go up on the lift and screw that in. Before we do that, I'm going to cut this off here and then I'll go get my other piece of molding and that we can put together with it. So this is a simplistic way of doing it. Old school, it's all hands. I guess a good exercise.